Most people don't fail because life is unfair. They fail because they quit too soon. Let me ask you something. How many dreams have you buried just because somebody told you it wasn't possible? Be honest. See, if Thomas Edison quit after the 999th attempt, maybe we'd still be sitting in the dark. And here's the truth. Some of you have quit so fast. But listen, what if your next attempt, the one you were about to give up on, is the one that changes everything? Stick with me, because today I'm going to show you why your dream is still alive and why it's not over until you win. Do you ever notice how toddlers fall 50 times a day or more, learning how to walk, and they never once say, "Oh, maybe walking isn't for me"? But adults, we try once, fail, and suddenly it's "Guess I'm not cut out for success. Let me watch Netflix instead." Let me make this clear to you. If you can survive a toddler's diet of crayons and carpet fuzz, you can survive chasing your dream. Ladies and gentlemen, right now I want you to do something powerful. Don't just sit there. I want you to think about your dream. Yes, your dream. That picture in your mind that won't leave you alone. Close your eyes for a moment if you can. Imagine it. Feel it. See yourself already there. Because here's what I believe. If you have a dream in your heart, it wasn't put there to tease you. It wasn't given to you as some cruel joke. No, it was planted inside you because you have the ability to make it real. Hey, if you're into real down-to-earth money talks and mindset shifts that actually teach you something, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let me break this down into steps you can hold on to. Point 1. It's possible. The first truth is simple but life-changing. Your dream is possible. Not easy, not quick, not painless, but possible. Think about it. Somebody out there is already living the life you want. Somebody already started a business with no money. Somebody already wrote a best-selling book without a degree. Somebody already lost the weight, beat the odds, or changed their life completely. Why not you? But here's the catch. Most people never dare to say it's possible for me. They say, "I can't do that. I don't have the connections. I'm not smart enough. I've failed too many times." Friends, the greatest prison in the world is not behind steel bars. It's between our ears. You talk yourself out of something before you even start. Like, you're standing in front of the gym with a brand new outfit, but suddenly your brain says, "Wait, I think I lost 10 pounds just by buying these sneakers. Let's celebrate with pizza." How many times have you told yourself "I can't" when deep down you hadn't even tried yet? Don't bury your dream with excuses. Whisper to yourself every day, "It's possible," because possibility is the seed of reality. You've been wonderful following up this far, and I'll love you to keep up the amazing work. If you're yet to like this video, go ahead, smash that like button, and also subscribe. We are aiming for 1,000 subscribers, and we can't do that without you. If you've done these, please type "Yes, I have" in the comments section, and I'll give you a heart. Thank you. Point 2. You'll face failure, and that's good news. Now, let me warn you, chasing your dream comes with bumps, bruises, and broken nights. You're going to fail. You'll get rejected. People will laugh at you. But here's the good news. Failure is not your enemy, it's your teacher. Every mistake is simply pointing you closer to the path that will work. When I first started speaking, people told me I'd never make it. I was labeled educable, mentally retarded in school. They said I wasn't smart enough. But failure whispered, "Try again." Think about a toddler learning to walk. They fall on their diaper-padded backside about 50 times a day. Imagine if they quit. "Well, guess walking isn't for me. I'll just crawl through life." Ridiculous, right? Yet grown-ups quit on their dreams after 2 rejections. Some people quit so fast. 1 no and they're done. Are you letting one failure define your future? Or are you willing to stumble forward until you find your way? Don't run from failure. Run with it. Because every no is fertilizer for the soil where your dream will grow. Point 3. Don't let other people's opinions write your story. One of the greatest lies we believe is that someone else's opinion equals our destiny. I had a teacher who once told me, Les, don't ever say you're mentally retarded again. Someone's opinion of you does not have to become your reality. That sentence changed my life. And I'll tell you something, people are still talking about you today. They'll tell you what's impossible. They'll laugh at your ideas. They'll project their fears into you. But listen, opinions are like breath mints. The ones you need most usually come from the people offering the least. Walt Disney was fired from a newspaper for lacking imagination. Oprah was told she was unfit for television. If they had listened, the world would have been robbed of their gifts. Some folks who are broke, lonely and miserable will still give you free advice on how to live your life. Isn't that weird? Now let me ask you, whose voice are you letting be louder than your own belief? Your destiny is not a community vote. You are the author. Pick up the pen and write it yourself. If you're getting value from this message and you want me to continue, like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I drop gems like this every day to build your mindset and finances. Thank you. Let's continue. Point 4. Growth requires discomfort. Here's why most people never live their dreams. They get comfortable. Comfort zones are nice. They're warm, safe, familiar. But nothing grows there. The only thing comfort zones produce is regret. Stretching yourself feels awkward. Reading new books, showing up at networking events, trying new skills, it's like wearing new shoes that pinch at first. But keep walking in them, and soon they fit just right. Think about going to the gym after years of not exercising. Day 1, you feel like a superhero. Day 2, you can't even lift your toothbrush. But guess what? That pain means you're getting stronger. Growth feels so uncomfortable. Yes, that's how it should be. You're evolving. Have you mistaken being safe for being alive? Stretch beyond your comfort, because regret hurts more than risk ever will. Point 5. It's not over until you win. Life will test you. It will delay you, detour you, and sometimes knock you flat on your back. But listen to me, it's not over until you win. My son once refused to stop playing a board game until he won. 11 games later, he finally won one round. Then he yawned, stretched and said, "Okay, I'm ready for bed now." That's the spirit you need. Thomas Edison tried over 1,000 times to make the light bulb work. Somebody asked, "How did you keep going after so many failures?" He said, "I didn't fail 1,000 times. I found 1,000 ways that didn't work." Imagine if Edison quit at attempt number 999. Maybe we'd all still be in the dark. Have you stopped too soon? Did you quit right before the breakthrough? Life doesn't hand victories to the fastest. It crowns those who refuse to quit. So here's what I want you to know. 1. It's possible. 2. Failure is part of the process. 3. Other people's opinions don't define you. 4. Growth leaves outside comfort. 5. It's not over until you win. Yes, it's hard. Yes, it's lonely sometimes, but your dream is worth it. Now here's my challenge to you. Before you leave this video, write down in the comments at least 3 reasons why you will not give up on your dream. Tell the world, declare it. Let your reasons become your fire when the nights get cold. If this video brought you value or stirred something in you, give it a like, subscribe and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Don't just watch and go away. Drop your thoughts in the comments section. I'd love to hear what stuck with you the most. And one day when you look back, you'll realize you weren't just chasing a dream. The dream was chasing you. Always remember, you are the one to write your own story. I'll see you on the next one.